Hey there, y'all. Thank you for watching today's YouTube video. I'm going to be using the Beyoncé Cécred line on my client Jerry. First, we start off with step 1 and step 2, which is a powder mixed in with a little warm water. We shake it on in, and it's actually like fermented rice water. So as you can see, I'm just closing the top here, and we're going to just give it a little shake. Just shake it up, and I literally shook this for a couple of minutes because I wanted the mixture to be really homogeneous and mixed through, you feel me? So shake it like a Polaroid picture, okay? Hey, y'all. That was for Andre 3K, you know, I'm in Atlanta, baby. So, you know, gliding through from step 1 and step 2. Your hair is so soft. It's manageable as hell. Oh my God. Jerry, you feel this, right?
Yeah.
We haven't even shampooed yet, and my fingers are gliding, baby. Gliding. Oh, it's so soft. I've been doing your hair since 2017. It ain't never been like this. This is soft as hell. Oh my God. Y'all on me and y'all side. And here you can see the 2 shampoos that I used. First up, it was the exfoliator and then the moisturizer. Now, I did not capture on film using the treatment as well as the conditioner because for whatever reason, I did not record that in landscape. So make sure you check out my YouTube shorts because I'm going to have shorts dedicated to showing off the conditioning process as well because I did record that. I just didn't have it on me. Here, I'm priming it to be blow dried. So we're dispersing product all in, and then the blow dry went by really nice. You see Jerry Puerto Rican, so he got them curls. Okay, he a real Rican. Okay, period. So, you know, with those looser curls patterns, they're so cute on the wash and go, but you know, you gotta keep going through it and keep going through it to get it nice and dry. So, you know, run that, and here we are at the end of the blow dry process. Yes, baby, it was just so luxurious. It was ridiculous. Like, if you could feel his hair through this video, then you too will become a Beyonce fan. If you weren't in the hive, if you was a free bee just floating around in the sky, you found your hive. If you could touch this, you'd be part of the hive. Like, I just can't even explain it no different. Now, I always prep for braids using a hot brush. I like to make sure the strands are, you know what I'm saying, nice and straight so that I can be stitching and slicking, okay? But then we're going to put this oil on here. This day, Beyoncé oil, okay, period, Cécred in the building. I really liked that it was so lightweight that after I applied it, you can still, like, move your hair. Like, it's luxurious. It's not heavy. So it did what it needed to do. And I dispersed it all the way from root to tip, all throughout his hair. And when I tell you guys, the glide, look how the comb goes through it. It's the glide for me. It's the glide for me. All right, now, check it out. Boom, straight through. Boom. Yeah. I would say this entire line by Beyoncé, this whole Cécred line, just really was all about aromatherapy and healthy hair. I can't even stress how from the first step everything just became clear to me that this line is catered to natural hair for sure. No tangling, just beautiful. And because we filmed this elegant video for you guys, you know, I'm getting into it, but I'm not a big filmer. We took a lot of time. So the style is simple, okay? We did 2 braids. But these are the healthiest, most luxurious, most soft, beautiful 2 braids that I could have given Jerry. Like, do you see the luster on the hair? You know what I'm saying? So beautiful. And I really enjoyed this experience using Beyoncé's Cécred line.